Welcome to the 5 Luo words a day. In today's lesson, we shall talk about ba, 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 bad, and badho. You're welcome. So let's talk about ba. Ba. Ba means throw. In a sentence, you can say ba na adula no koni. Ba na adula no koni. Throw that ball my way. Ba na adula no koni. Our next word is ba. Ba. So ba is the sound that the rain makes when it's hitting something like a tin foil. For example, koth chue ba. Koth chue ba. So that's an adverb. Our next word is ba. Ba. That's absolutely or completely. Atonga opong ba. Sometimes you can say atonga opong ha. Atonga opong ha. Or atonga opong ba. So that translates to the basket is completely full. There is no space for anything else. The next word is bad. Bad. Ne bad mar yencha. Ne bad mar yencha. See the branch of that tree. So branches are called de, while one branch is bad. Bad. Bad yen. Ne bad mar yencha. Our last word of the day is badho. Badho. Badho means evade. Badho. Or speak with restraint. So, for example, you can say, Toto ohero badho jok ma okia. Toto ohero badho jok ma okia. So Toto loves evading people she doesn't know. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please consider subscribing to the channel so that you can learn 5 words every day. Goodbye.